Everywhere it's an horse design. We have taken their head of paint. Use the shapes to generate a design there. I will find it a shape again. So there is the other design. We will explore the features here. Take the designs here. So there are the different styles of each horse here. So let's find it. Use the paint over it.